Oil futures are extending losses in New York morning trade. Meanwhile, gasoline futures continue to soar as investors monitor the fallout from Tropical Storm Harvey. October WTI is off 0.9%, trading at $46.02 a barrel after a high of $46.40 and a low of $45.91. Now, oil prices are lower as refinery shutdowns across Texas mean that crude stocks are set to rise. Refiners do not have the capacity for further oil intake. And in terms of inventory figures, according to the API, U.S. crude stockpiles dropped by 5.78 million barrels last week. Meanwhile, the EIA says that about 18% of national refining capacity has been halted. That does mean less fuel is being produced. Separately, Goldman Sachs says refineries with output of 4.1 million barrels per day were offline on Tuesday. That does represent 23% of U.S. production. Looking at gasoline prices, they rose to a two-year high as Harvey hit the U.S. Gulf Coast again after already knocking out a fifth of the nation's refining capacity. Harvey made landfall Wednesday for a second time, moving away from Houston onto Louisiana. Moving on to precious metals, the dollar's strength as well as subsiding geopolitical tensions have been pushing spot gold lower. Gold is down 0.5% at $1311.80, while silver is off 0.4% at $17.36.